Hey, this is Tom Newton for Reconbu at CES 2015. We're taking a closer look at the Parrot stand, in particular the Parrot Pot and Flower Power H2O smart watering devices. These gadgets come with intelligent soil sensors that monitor just how thirsty your plants are. Both products let you fill up a reservoir that automatically keeps your plants fed and watered. The Parrot's Pot comes with its own 2.2 litre vessel, whereas the Flower Power H2O lets you create one by screwing in an empty plastic bottle. Whenever you need to top up the reservoir, you'll get a notification sent to your phone. This is really great if you're totally lazy like me, because you'll never have to worry about your plants dying again. Even better, both devices draw on information from Parrot's vast data bank. The drone making company has amassed data on over 8,000 plants. Sensors will figure out how much sunlight your plant is getting and even what type of plant it is, and it'll regulate the water flow accordingly. How easy is that? So that's the Parrot Pot and the Flower Power H2O in a nutshell. Prices and launch dates of both are still TBC, but expect to see them in shops later this year. Stay tuned for Reconbu for updates on this and more CES 2015 coverage.